Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Kraken versus Sea Eater. The Kraken, a creature of myth, has captivated imaginations for centuries, while Sea Eater encompasses a wide array of fictional marine monsters. We will delve into their distinct origins, examine their unique characteristics, and discuss how each is portrayed in popular culture. Get ready to explore the depths of these formidable ocean dwellers. The Kraken's legend hails from Norse sagas, painting a picture of a monstrous cephalopod lurking in the deep. Sailors feared its immense power, believing it could capsize vessels and devour entire crews. Imagine tentacles hundreds of feet long, capable of crushing the strongest ships. This creature embodies the terrifying unknown of the vast, dark ocean. In contrast, sea eaters represent a diverse collection of fictional marine predators found across various media. These creatures often boast specialized abilities, from razor-sharp teeth and incredible speed to powerful sonic attacks or bioluminescent lures. Their role is usually to provide a thrilling challenge, embodying a primal threat from the ocean's depths in stories and games. So, the Kraken stands as a singular ancient myth, a giant cephalopod of legend. Sea eaters, however, are a broad, evolving category of fictional marine monsters, each with unique traits beyond mere size. While the Kraken relies on its colossal scale, sea eaters often possess specialized powers, making them distinct threats. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.